Today we're gonna make a Thai iced tea. First of all, you need the Thai tea mix. I got this from the Asian supermarket. I'm boiling some water over there. 1 cup of water. Just follow the instruction. 1 cup of water with 4 tablespoons of Thai tea mix. Let's brew the tea. Now we can see the water is boiling. Add the Thai tea mix in. Now drain the tea. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar in the tea and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. And then 1 shot of evaporated milk. Mix it in the ice. Take it easy out. Then we get ourselves a very nice Thai iced tea. You can cut down the sugar or milk to your liking. Here is Thai iced tea. Cheers. You can add pearls at the bottom so that it will become a bubble tea. I was too lazy to make pearls today, so this is my Thai iced tea. What is your favorite bubble tea? Tell me in the comments below and I'll try to make a video for you. Bye bye.